Today I am going to share my review on Orico 2.5 inch hard drive enclosure. This is used for it can be used for laptop. If you have a spare laptop hard disk like this one lying around, and if you are not using it, you can use it as a hard disk, external hard disk. So this is the enclosure that we can purchase and use it on this hard disk. Okay, so we'll see what's inside. First of all, we'll look at what are the features of this product. This is a USB 3.0 and it supports up to 5 Gbps speed. You don't need to screw in anything. It's a tool-free installation, so it's just plug and play. It's for 2.5 inch hard drive enclosure, so that means it's for a laptop. And let's look at the back side of this and more specifications. It's a 2.5 inch and supports 5 Gbps transfer rate. So that's the main reason why I bought this, because of the transfer rate. It's transparent, so let's see what's inside this box. So this is how it looks. It's transparent. So this is the port. Let's see if we have anything else. We have the guide here, and we have the data cable. So let's see how the data cable looks like. So this is how it looks like. Speak. And the build quality is really good. The wire quality is really good. USB cable, and the other end looks like this. Now let's get into the installation of this product. Just push it like this and it will slide off. This is a sliding mechanism here. Okay, it's as easy as that. No screw or anything like that. We separated it. And take your hard disk like this and insert it into the box. Slide it and apply some slight pressure to the right, and it's inside the casing. Okay, I think this is provided to prevent this transparent body from scratching, so we can use it later. Now we'll close the enclosure just like this. Okay, put it like this and slide it. You need to align this to the railing here and slide it, and that's it. Now the hard disk is ready for use. If you want, you can just rip it off and paste it here like this, so that there will be cushion. You can now put it on surfaces without scratching the body. Okay, I think that's why it is. So it's easy. It can be installed in 2 minutes time. Now let's check the speed and transfer rate of this device. Okay, as you can see, I have two USB port here. One is the normal USB port as indicated, and this is the fast 3.0 USB port. So to get the best speed, we need to plug it in here. So I'll just connect it to the 3.0 USB port, and now we'll check the. As you can see, there are two lights. One blue light which is for the power indication, and there is a red blinking light that shows the read and write notification. Okay, this is how it looks when we plug it in. So now let's see the transfer speed. These are the I, J and F are the partitions that I have on this hard disk. For this example, I am going to show a file that is 700 MB. I am going to copy it to my system drive, that is E, and we'll see how long it will take to actually paste it into my internal hard drive. Okay, as you can see, it was really fast. So my final verdict is this is a good hard disk enclosure, and the thing is the transfer speed is also really high. I think 150 MB per second, which is really good, and the transfer rate is really fast, and it's not heating up and it's not making any sound. So yeah, if you don't drop it then I think it can last for a long time, because it's made of like really plastic material. So don't drop it. If you can use a pouch with it for long lasting usage. Other than that, I don't see any disadvantage with this hard drive enclosure. I really liked it. So if you like to buy this, I'll include a link in the description below, and if you like the video, please like, and if you have any doubts regarding this product, please comment below, and thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.